we have shrunken ourselves down to microscopic size. So we are going to travel inside the cell, which today strangely looks like a house.
Oh, interesting.
Inside the cell, we will explore the different parts and their part in the whole photosynthesis and metabolism process. Let's go.
Oh, that is very good. This is the cell! We are shrunken people that will be using active transport to enter into the cell. Ta-ta-ta!
We are now going to use active transport, and as you can see, this device right here is actually a protein. Oh, it's helping me come through. Comes into the cell. Active transport. Oh. Now we are inside the cell. Let's explore. This, as you can see, is the centriole. It's full of water and liquids to help the cell survive. Just like that, see it? Look, it's the liquids. It's the liquids. Blow. Okay, I will quick go through the centriole and see if I can get all the way through by holding my breath. Centriole. I'm out on the other side of the centriole. Let's keep going.
This is the nucleus. Each one of these chromosomes sort of look like wooden panels.
It's kind of strange.
But let's just take a quick look and then move on.
There are 21 chromosomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 21. I've recently spoken with the chloroplasts, and they have graciously told me that they will show us how they receive sunlight. They will be showing us. They have receptors in the ceiling of their organelle where the sunlight comes in. They will be showing us how they receive it, and later they will show us how they transfer energy. Let's take a look. Chloroplasts take in energy in the form of sunlight. Now, photosynthesis is performed, and oxygen and organic molecules are then moved to the mitochondria, where cellular respiration occurs. Now, the process of cellular respiration gives off energy in the form of ATP. Now, ATP has a very strong bond. When ATP has a bond broken and it forms ADP, diphosphate instead of triphosphate, the bond is broken and it gives off tremendous amounts of energy. Now, this energy we can use in terms of cellular respiration. It can also be given off of heat energy and all different types of energy. See, now, as plant cells obtain this energy and they give it off, we can obtain this energy in a couple ways. First of all, by the process of us taking in oxygen and just eating plants like this, we obtain energy. Now, cell respiration occurs. Through this, we obtain energy. Now, it's in the form of oxygen or plants, as I said. Now, we obtain this in intracellular respiration. It gives off glucose, which is energy for us. Now see, as this dog takes in the energy, cellular respiration is formed within its small body. Now that's energy. This cellular respiration process gives off glucose, which in turn gives us energy. See, what we really need to talk about is how us as humans, Homo sapiens, as animals get energy. Now we take an energy in the form of two ways. Oxygen, breathe deeply, and of glucose, which as you eat food such as this banana is broken down and in the simplest form is glucose, C6H12O6. Now these two are combined in the process called cellular respiration. Happens, and the byproducts of this are 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and energy in the form of ATP and heat, and last but not least, water, H2O. And we get rid of carbon dioxide by breathing. We get also rid of water sometimes by water vapor through our breath. And then the energy we keep and use dearly. Now, the energy we have is in the form of ATP and heat. ATP has triphosphates on the end. Now, part of how that energy works is when the third ATP, when the third phosphate molecule breaks off, that bond is broken and energy is given off. We will see a demonstration of this now.
As we use energy to move our legs like this, we give off a form of energy called heat energy. It makes us warm. And then as we go faster, we give off more energy.
Energy also comes in two other forms. They are kinetic energy and potential energy. Potential energy is the energy of position. So if I hold this ball up here, it has high potential energy. When I drop this ball, the potential energy is formed to kinetic energy, the energy of motion.
Crap!
There are two laws of thermodynamics. One law is that energy can't be created or destroyed. The other law is that all systems tend toward entropy, or chaos, or disorder, which also we lose heat. And Preston is amazing at juggling. Yay! I am Optimus Prime.
冲啥大，冲啥小，冲啥都有人唱反调，恨得多，爱得少，只想越跳越疯，越跳越高，把地球甩掉。一颗心扑通扑通的狂跳，一整天烦恼烦恼烦恼全忘掉，我再也不要，再也不要委屈自己一秒。一颗心扑通扑通的狂跳，一瞬间烦恼烦恼烦恼全忘掉，我所以让地球甩掉，只有越跳越高。
What the heck?
I'm done. You can stop filming now, honey. Needy.